Hello everyone, welcome to today's session in Concept. Today we will be talking about swing trading strategy in which you can take the entry in 30 minutes time frame. Okay, but before starting the video, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is a link below. With the help of that, you can download and install Concept web application. After successful registration, you will get some free tools in the application that will help you out in your trading. Okay, in the application there is a video library available. Okay, so it consists of various videos. They are on Pro Plus tools as well as on various strategies, so you can check them out. They are available in multiple languages like English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi and Tamil as well. Okay, at any point of time, if you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can go in the support section, and here you will find our contact number as well as email ID, so you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out. Let's start today's session in which we will be talking about swing trading, and today we will be using a strategy that is based on PCR. Okay, now when I'm talking about PCR, so PCR means the put call ratio. Okay, so we will be talking about put call ratio today. Okay, now in put call ratio, as the name suggests, it is a ratio of put and call. Okay, so just a second. So PCR is a ratio of put and call, right? When we are talking about OI PCR, so it means the put side OI, okay, the put side OI and the call side OI, okay. And I have already told you multiple times, when we are using the term OI, okay, so we will connect it with the sellers, right? Why? Because when we are talking about OI, so we generally interpret OI in terms of sellers. Why? OI consists buyers and sellers as well, right? So there are both buyers and sellers, right? But when we are talking about sellers, so they are paying larger margin, right? They are paying good margin. At the same time, they are working for limited profit, okay, and they are having unlimited loss, right, in their position. Okay, and that is why we believe whenever they are making their position at certain strike price, okay, so they must be having some strategies. Okay, so that is why we interpret OI in terms of sellers, right? So if I'm writing here the put OI, so I can say it is the put sellers, right? Put seller. Okay, and similarly when I'm talking about call OI, so I can say they are the call seller, right? Okay, now in OIPCR, if there are put sellers, so it means put means the market will go in the negative side, and if there are sellers, so they want market to go in the upward direction, so it means my market will go in the bullish direction. Okay, and similarly call means the market will go in the upward direction, and if someone is selling that, so it means the market will go in the bearish direction, right? So I have interpreted the OIPCR in simplest form, right? So whenever this ratio of bullish and bearish, if it will be greater than 1, okay, so at that time my market will be having positive sentiments, or you can say my market will go in the bullish side, right? So it is very simple. So OIPCR, if I'll connect it with the price movement, so if my OIPCR will be increasing, okay, if my OIPCR is increasing, it means the market will go in the upward direction, right? And similarly, if my OIPCR is decreasing, at that time my market will go in the negative direction. Okay, so now we can say if my ratio is about 1, okay, if my OIPCR, okay, so we have seen that it is directly proportional to the price, right? It is moving with the price. So if OIPC are increasing, price is increasing, right? So it has a positive relation, or you can say correlated with it, right? Now at any point of time, if my OIPCR is 1, it means the market is neutral, right? The bullish, or you can say the call sellers and the put sellers are in the equal position. At any point of time, if it will increase, okay, if the number will increase from 1, okay, for example 1.5, 1.6, at that time we will see the market is bullish in sentiments, right? And similarly, if it will decrease from 1, for example 0.8, or for example 0.6, right, at that time we can say the market is bearish in sentiments, right? The market is bearish in sentiments. So this is the thing that you have to take care of while you are trading with the OIPCR, right? So now we will directly go in the Quantsap application, and in the analyze section we have a PCR here, okay, and here in the OIPCR you can see there is a OIPCR here at this region, right? And then we can see the future price, so we will find a connection between them. Okay, So here you can see currently I am analyzing the chart of Bata India, and in Bata India you can see when my OI PCR was increasing. So you can see from 687, from 687 it increasing to 0.698, then 0.733. Okay, and when it is increasing, so you can actually see the price also increased here. So from 1421 it increased to 1443. Right, similarly when my price is now decreasing from 0.733, now my OIPCR is gradually decreasing. Okay, so when it is decreasing, you can see my price from 1428 it falls to 1398. So there is a significant downfall in my price as well, right? So similarly you can interpret at any point of time of any stock or indices, if the OIPCR is increasing, so you will analyze the market sentiments are bullish at that time, so you can go and you can make your entry, right? I will tell you a procedure of how you can make the entry in 30 minutes time frame, right? But before that I will also tell you a concept of vol PCR, and then we will see the application, or then we will see the concept in the chart as well, right? So now when I'm talking about volume PCR, right? So as we have interpreted the OI PCR in terms of seller, similarly we will interpret the volume PCR in terms of buyers, right? So if I'm talking about vol PCR, so it means the put volume, okay, and in the denominator we will take the call volume, right? We can just interpret the volume in terms of buyers, right? So it means put buyers, and in the denominator we have call buyers, right? Now put means the market will go down and the people are buying it, it means the market will go in the bearish direction, right? And similarly call means the market will go in the positive side, and if someone is buying it, it wants market to go above, so it is my bullish, right? So you can see in the volume, in the OIPCR we got bullish ratio bearish, but in the volume PCR we are getting bearish ratio bullish, right? So what it will interpret, for example, if the volume PCR is at 1, it means the neutral, but when volume PCR will increase, so if it will increase, so the participants of bearish sides are increasing, right? So at that time the market will be in the negative side. Okay, so the volume PCR, so we can say when my ratio it will decrease from 1 to 0.8 or 0.9, at that time the market will be in positive, right? So I can create a relation from here. The volume PCR is inversely proportional to my price, so at any point of time if my volume PCR is increasing, so you can say that my price will decrease from that point, right? So OI PCR is directly proportional and volume PCR is inversely proportional to the price. I hope the concept is clear. Let's see that in the chart and then how we can trade with it with a 30 minutes time frame as well, right? So again I will open the Quantsep application, and for example if I'm analyzing Bata India here, or let's take Nifty here, okay, for example. So let's take Nifty here for example. So this is the chart of Nifty here. Okay, now in Nifty as well we can see on 14th of October it is my OI PCR na. So in 14th October my OI PCR was 0.9, right? And after that for consecutive 2 days it kept on decreasing, right? And at that time you can see from 25 to 21 my price also decreased to 25048. So it was approximately 200 points fall in Nifty as well, right? Then we can see from 0.876 it increased for a day, and at that time I can see a increase in the price as well. So my price increased from 24,843 to 24,941, and then I can see currently from 22 October to 23 October you can see from 0.726 my OI PCR increased, at the same time my price also increased. So you can see a direct or correlation between the OI PCR and futures price, right? Now I can see right now it is increasing and my price is also increasing, right? It means my market sentiments or my Nifty sentiments is bullish right now, right? So I can go and make my trade in Nifty or as well as in any stock. What I have to do, I just have to open that in the chart. So in the charts trade and order, I have opened Nifty, and what I will do, I will select the time frame of 30 minutes here, right? Now 30 minutes here. Now whenever we are trading here, okay, so what we are doing, we are going for the swing trading. And right now you can see I have opened the chart of Nifty here. Okay, I have opened the chart of Nifty here. And if I am going to buy this, so what I will do first, I will make some key levels for me. Okay, so I can make some supply and demand zone, or you can say support zone or resistance zone as well. Okay, so for that I will select a zone here. Okay, and I will mark the level in which my Nifty is getting rejected multiple times. So I can see this was the region. This was the reason from where my Nifty was getting rejected multiple times. So I can interpret it as my resistance zone. Okay, so if my market will go above, if my market will come at this point of time, okay, so it is obvious that it will get rejected again, right? So what I have to do, I have to wait for my market, because we have already analyzed Nifty in PCR and it is giving me a bullish sentiment somehow, right? Now I have to wait for my Nifty to break this zone successfully. That is you can say approximately 24,700 in futures price, right? So if my Nifty will break it in 30 minutes candle and it will close above it, okay, at that point of time, what can I do? I can just mark the high of that point. Okay, so I can just mark the high of that point, and whenever my market will break that high, okay, of that candle, at that time I can initiate my entry. Okay, at that time I can initiate my entry, right? Now you can also observe one thing from here. If my market will break this point, right, so at that time there is one more thing, there is a change of character, because currently you can see my market was in downtrend, right? Then it made a high at this point of time. Okay, and then it is in the currently from last 1 hour it is in a negative direction, right? At any point of time, if it will go above, right, for example for today or tomorrow it can also go above. At any point of time, it will, if it will cross the level of 24,700, so there will be two things. First, it will break this zone as well. Okay, at the same time it will change its character as well, because it is breaking its swing high, right? So there will be two things. First of all, the break of structure, and second thing, the resistance zone will be, your market will also break the you can say the resistance zone. So I am getting a combination here, so that will be you can say consolidating my reading or my sentiments here, so you can take a trade in the positive side in Nifty as well, right? So what we have done, we have analyzed the OI PCR and volume PCR of my particular stock or indices, and then in the chart I have analyzed it in the 30-minute time frame. You just have to make sure ki what are the key levels for you, and then whenever there is a breakout, whenever there is a break of structure, at that point of time you can take your entry whenever your candle will close above your particular resistance zone or below your particular support zone, and then you have to mark the high of that candle whenever it will get break. Okay, so at that time you can make your entry in that particular stock, right, or indices as well, right? So I hope the concept is clear. I hope you get to know something new today. Agar aapko maza aaya, you can like the video, you can share this video with your friends as well. You can share your views in the comment section. Thank you so much guys. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.